Google Gemini just got a huge upgrade. Google made one of the smartest moves they've made all year, and almost nobody in the make money with AI space is talking about what it actually means. Because on the surface, it looks like a simple productivity update, a nice little feature for office workers. But if you understand how to use AI to build an online business and sell the right product, this changes something pretty fundamental about how fast you can work and how fast you can make money. So let me break down exactly what changed, why it matters, and of course, how you can use it to actually make money. My name is Fred. I build online course businesses with AI, and my record is over $5,000 in 48 hours, cash in my bank, not revenue, not gross. So here's what actually happened. On April 29th, 2026, Google rolled out a feature inside the Gemini app that lets you turn any chat conversation into a real downloadable file. Not a copy-paste block of text, an actual file, Word documents, Excel sheets, PDFs, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, CSVs, and more. 11 file types in total. You ask Gemini to build it, you click export, and then the file lands in your downloads or straight into your Google Drive. And here's the part that really matters. Google made this completely free. Every Gemini user gets it. There's no pro plan required. That's a really aggressive move, and it tells you how serious Google is about owning the AI productivity space right now. Now, why does this actually matter and how does it make us money? Because up until now, every AI tool had the same problem. You'd have a great session with an AI, walk away with this really solid block of text, and then realize the actual work was just starting. You still had to open Word, paste it in, fix the formatting, redo the headlines, save it, rename it, etc. The AI gave you a draft. You had to make the deliverable. That gap is gone now. The output is the deliverable. One prompt, one file, and you're done. And for someone building a course business, that's really a big deal. Now, here's the thing most people skip when they cover updates like these. The feature is only as good as how you use it, and there's a simple formula that makes a massive difference. When you ask Gemini to build a file, you need to tell it 3 things: the format you want, the structure you want, and the purpose of the document. So instead of saying, make me a content plan, you'd say, build me a 30-day YouTube content calendar as a Google Sheet with columns for video title, topics category, target keyword, and publish date, designed for a channel in the fitness niche, as an example. That's format, structure, purpose. And the difference in output quality between those 2 prompts is huge. Once you internalize that formula, you'll use it for everything. And speaking of using AI to build a consistent online income stream, that's literally what my free course shows you step by step. It shows you the exact system I use to build and sell online courses with AI, so you don't have to figure any of this out from scratch. And if you want me to personally look at your situation and tell you what to do exactly so you can make money with AI and digital products, you can book a free call with me directly. Both links are in the description below. So now, let me connect this to the actual money opportunity, because this is what the tech channels won't even tell you. The single best way to make money with AI right now is to sell digital products, specifically online courses. There's no inventory, no shipping. You make it once, you can sell it forever. And your profit margin is basically 95% because the only thing you're selling is information. And AI helps you to find and package that information in a fraction of the time it used to take. Here's where the Gemini update fits in. Think about what goes into building an online course. You need a curriculum, you need module outlines, you need lesson scripts, you need a workbook or a PDF guide your students can download. You need a content calendar to promote it. You need a sales page. Every single one of those things can be built as an actual finished file straight out of a Gemini chat. Not a rough draft you have to go format somewhere else. A real file ready to upload or send. What used to take days now takes hours only. What used to take hours now only takes minutes. And that matters a lot when you're building alone or with a small setup like most people who are just starting out. Now, I know exactly what you might be thinking right now. You're thinking, Fred, this sounds great, but I don't know anything worth teaching. I'm not an expert in anything. I hear this all the time, and I want to be really direct with you about it. That excuse basically does not exist anymore thanks to AI. And here's why. The knowledge you need to build a course for most things already exists on the internet. There's thousands of articles, research papers, YouTube videos, forums, case studies, all of it is already out there. You don't need to be the expert. You need to be the person who uses AI to pull that knowledge together, structure it clearly, and package it into a course somebody can buy and consume easily. You're basically doing research for them. And just think about this for a second. There's a woman making $30,000 a month, teaching people how to organize their photos. That's insane when you think about it. She's just someone who picked a specific problem, built a course around it, and sold it. Do you think that she had 10 degrees or years of credentials? No. She had a clear topic and a system for delivering it. With a tool like Gemini, you can pick any niche people are willing to pay for, ask AI to pull together everything known about that subject, structure it into a proper online course curriculum, and then you can start selling it. Gemini can outline the scripts and even create the PDF workbooks, and you can build all of that in a single afternoon. It's crazy what AI tools can do for you now. And if you know how to use them, you will print money. And here's the best part. You don't even have to be on camera unless you want to. There's two different ways to build a course business with AI right now. The first is with a personal brand. You show your face, you build an audience on YouTube or somewhere else, and you sell your course to that audience over time. Now that's what I do. That's how I started. You can even use an AI twin, so like a clone of yourself to scale without working more. I know some people who do this very successfully, and I will probably start doing it at some point. The second option is completely faceless. You use an AI avatar as the face of the channel, or AI voices doing all the narration. You stay invisible, the AI fronts everything, and the course still sells. Both of these work. Both make real money. The difference is just what you're comfortable with. And either way, a tool like Gemini that cuts your content creation and course building time in half is gonna make your operation faster and leaner. Look, I'm gonna be straight with you. Every time AI gets more powerful and easier to use, the window to get in early gets smaller. The people who are one-person businesses with AI right now are moving fast and getting a head start, and it's gonna be impossible to catch up with them 6 months from now. I don't say that to pressure you, I say it because it's true, and I'd rather you hear it from me now than figure it out when it's too late. I made a free course that shows you exactly how I use AI to save time and make money online. I'm giving away the whole system, step by step, completely for free, so you can just copy it. And the best part is, you don't need a big budget to do this or an existing audience. You don't need a technical background. You don't need to know how to code. I don't know how to code. It's completely free in the description below. And if you want me to build this together with you, directly, like be your mentor, you can book a free call with me and I'll tell you exactly what course you should be selling based on your situation. Now, spots are limited, so don't sit on it. All the links are right below this video in the description. With that said, I will see you on the other side.